Good afternoon, YouTube. Look at what we got here. Let's check it out. We got the okay. Oh man, look at this. Great packaging. Look at what we got here, man. Put it to the side. We have, ooh, that thing heavy too. That thing got some thickness to it. Good Lord. Look at it. Let's open this box right here first. Sorry, I'm recording on my iPhone. I don't have my usual unboxing set up at the moment. In this box, we have the rack mounts and screws and the power cable. Yep, that goes there. And we have the 2U put my phone down real quick. Look at this thing, it's so beefy. We got a 2U UPS from Ubiquity. This is the front side of it, cover. And we turn over to the rear, voila. These outlets up here, surge. Yeah, the outlets up here, surge and battery. And the ones down here are just surge. Then over here, we have the power button, we have the surge network ports, and this is the management port right here, and a reset button right there. So this thing is thick. Look at that. So thank y'all for tuning in. I have a new video I'm putting together about my whole new network setup. You guys gonna love it. I can't wait to share that journey with you all. And plus, I'm gonna do a whole lot more than just putting on my network as well. But I've been researching, planning for the past couple months. So you all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And I will see you guys shortly.